Hello and welcome dear friends to my channel. Hope you all are having a wonderful time. If you're new to this channel, please take a moment to look at the earlier videos so that you don't miss out on the important information, topics, tips, offers, etc. covered in the earlier videos. If you have not done it already, please subscribe to this channel and push the notification so that you will be notified when a new video is posted. Without further delay, let's get into today's episode, which we will focus on youth, students, and senior. We'll start the video by a very wise thought. It is well said in the financial world that it's never too early and never too late to start taking control of your financial situation. My dear friends who are starting early and have absolutely powerful thing on their hand, which is time, the longer time you have on you, the better it is for your finances. Start early. Save as much as possible, even if it's a small amount, and start investing or putting into a savings account or a tax-free savings account so that it can grow over the period of time. Look at my earlier videos where we have covered saving account in great details. For my senior friends, I would say it is time to enjoy the hard-earned retirement. However, we should not lose the focus from making all the attempts we can to carefully increase your net worth so that your future generation would benefit the most from it. These are the topics that we will cover today. We will go through student accounts, youth accounts, senior accounts, and then we'll do a big 5 bank comparison, offer summary, and tips. So student accounts are typically free at most of the financial institutions. Banking accounts are available for students who are in high school, post-secondary, postgraduate, and also for international students. Why do students need an account? Well, a student would need an account to cover for their education, to do some day-to-day transactions, to pay for the books, supplies, and so on. Most of these accounts can be opened either online or can book a meeting and then can be done from the branch. The identification document required is at least one government ID, such as birth certificate, passport, driver license, and the other ID is depending on what type of account is being opened. These are the various type of accounts that a youth or student can apply for, and it starts as early as 0 years old. Yeah, you can open an account with a very young kid. So the different type of account is shown in here. The account access for 0 to 11 year is youth has the sole ownership, but the signing authority has access as well, and a signing authority is required for 0 to 11-year-old kid. ID required for signing authority is 2 government IDs, but it is optional for youth. So youth doesn't have to present any identification document, but whoever is signing on the account, their ID is required. 12-year-old, the youth has sole ownership, but the signing authority has access as well, so they can access the account and they can look at the account information as well. Coming on to 13 to 15 years, you can do like a different type of accounts. You can have a sole ownership and access, and in that case the identification is required only for youth, and the youth can have a sole ownership and can do account with the signing authority as well. In that case, signing authority will need to present ID, and youth are also required to present the ID. For age of majority and over, youth has the sole ownership and access, and ID is required for, in that case, the adult. And when someone is above the age of majority, they can also have a joint account, and the ID will be required for the adult and all the joint application. What students or youth can do right now at the early age is they can now focus on the simple concepts. Now is the time for you. Learn as much as you can and equip yourself to take control of your finances. It is easy to start. You can learn simple concepts such as how to save, budgeting, manage debt, how you can minimize your education expenses, and you should look for federal or provincial grants, scholarships, etc. So these are all the ways, like the federal and provincial grants and scholarship, that will minimize your educational expense. At times, there are also very good banking offers that can help with your studies. And currently, one very good offer that I know is a CIBC full ride contest with the Student Life Network. And if you're the lucky winner, you can win $35,000. We'll cover that a little bit later in this video. And a student can also look at the budget calculators and learn how they can budget their expenses. And most of the FI have this on their website. For the parents of the youth, they should consider opening an account as early as possible. This will help kids to understand how to manage and enhance their financial knowledge. It is never too early to think that no, I can wait a little bit longer and then I will open an account for my kid. Don't think it that way. Like the earlier, the sooner you start and start helping your kid to understand and develop good financial habits, it will be much more easier for them when they grow up and they will be very well financially responsible. Coming on to the senior accounts, most of the bank offer discounts for seniors. So someone who is 65 years and above should get a senior discount. What the discounts are is typically they pay a lower monthly service fee on the checking account, and they could also be eligible for free bank drafts and money orders, and could be eligible for free e-transfer and other discount as well, such as they may receive some discounts on the annual rental fee for the safety deposit box. So check out all of these offers with your bank, and we will cover a few of the current offers with the banks, big five banks, later in this videos. Also, most of the financial institution or bank offers senior support services such as priority telephone routing, large print communication option for statements, protection from fraud, and so on. Now, doing a quick comparison on the big five banks account for the students and youth. RBC Bank, this is the RBC Bank for student age 13 plus, and also for kids 0 to 12, there is no fee. It comes with unlimited debits and Interact e-transfer and so on. This is offer for the discount for senior accounts and with the RBC. So as you can see, for seniors RBC day-to-day banking, there would be no monthly fee after discount. For Advantage Bank with the discount, the monthly fee would be $7.95, and for Signature no limit banking, it would come out to be $12.95. For RBC VIP banking, after the discount, it would be $22.50. TD, coming on to the TD Bank, there are some good offers for TD Bank with a new student checking account. Check it out on TD website. You can earn up to $125. The conditions and everything applies. The offer ends on October 31st. Again, there is no monthly fee, unlimited. It includes unlimited transactions, and you earn interest on every dollar if you open a savings account and put your funds in there. The senior account discounts with TD Bank is shown here. I would say it goes after the discount. The account fees could be varying somewhere from $8.20 to all the way up to $22.45. For Scotiabank, this is the offer. They do also offer free student banking with the unlimited debit transactions, and also they have a scene program that if you're interested, you can sign up for that. The Scotiabank also offers commission, like a 50% discount on their a trading platform which is called iTrade, and there could be some terms and condition for that as well. Currently, it says trade one and get one free at Scotia iTrade. So what it says is you can get 20 free trades on the mobile app in your first year, and try and 10 free trades every year after. So check out the offers with the Scotiabank if you're interested for iTrade. At Scotiabank, the seniors are eligible for discounts, and again, the discounts with different account types is shown here. Somewhere it will range from $0 to all the way to $26.95. With CIBC, there is currently an excellent offer for student, which I did mention it earlier. It's called a full ride contest, where students can get a chance to win $35,000, which is absolutely fantastic. You can put this money if you win, and if you're the lucky winner, you can put this money towards your education, which will help you along the way. Other than that, the students can have earn up to $125 cashback, and they will have to complete the requirements and the steps. Also, the students and youth don't have to pay any fees, any service fees for the checking account until the age 25. Seniors, they do also get offers and discount from CIBC.com, and with their checking account, with the offer, there is a lower monthly fee after the discount, and the seniors get free Interact e-transfers and free bank drafts and money orders. So also there are some priority telephone routing, accessibility at CIBC, and then also something to protect against the frauds. So check out the terms and conditions and account informations at cibc.com for more details. At the BMOs, there is currently a limited time offer where the students can earn $100 cashback bonus when they apply for a new student checking account. Refer to the details for more information, and also there is a complimentary access to OnGuard, which is like a protection, online protection, which will protect your information, key information, and so on. So how OnGuard protects you? It monitors your identity, and it tracks all the activity related to your digital and finance, so that you can quickly react to a potential fraud. Also, it helps in restoring your identity after a fraud and protects you from loss. So if you are interested, check out more details on that, and you can save up to $150 a year. BMO offers a senior discounts as well for the Practical Plus Performance Premium accounts. The maximum that after discount you would be paying for a premium account is $26. And if you want practically no cost, then you would go with the practical account. Okay, so coming up to the end of this video, the tip for the student, I would say, is this is the best time to start learning and start taking control of your financial future. So my young friends, please don't pull yourself back on learning and discovering as much as possible about your finances, banking, investment concepts, saving concept. These are not at all hard concept to learn and grasp. Discuss with your parents, family, teachers, and use online resources such as our website, our YouTube channel. So we plan to bring up our website as well in the future. Look around and shop for the best banking accounts, lending options, and offer to minimize your financial burden. Develop good habits such as saving as much as possible, prioritizing your spending, focusing on absolutely necessary items to buy, and only spend your money on those essentials. You can also start taking control and looking at the budgeting tools, investments, and so on. Tips for my senior friends will be: make the best of the discount and offers, and be cautious of any online and phone call fraud and scams. Do not act and give to any acting pressurizing from fraudsters and scammers that they may act as we are calling from CRA or we are calling from a police department and we have a warrant issued for you. So give us this much money or give me your banking account. Please, please, please do not give into all those fraudster and scammer calls. Always talk and give maximum details to your bank or financial institution rep so that they can best advise and act in your best interest. And do not think that okay, you are at the end of your financial journey and now is the time that you are done. So I would say please continue with your good habits that you have developed during your entire career. Focus on savings and investings as well. Keep growing your net worth so that your future generation will benefit from that, and enjoy your retirement. One tip I would also like to add for international student is there's a fantastic good international student banking offers with CIBC and Scotiabank that usually student do a GIC at their home and then they come to Canada and activate and get their account. The tip here is student can book the meeting in advance, so they don't need to wait till the time they get into Canada, because when the time they get into Canada, there might be very busy banking, and they won't be able to book an appointment or get an appointment. So think about booking a meeting before landing to Canada. That way it will help you ease out your account opening procedures. Thank you for watching this video till the end. We hope that this video was able to bring value to you and you got to learn something good today. Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel and push the notification icon to stay tuned. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Good day. Bye-bye.